Hello and welcome to episode 187 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a Locrian two-note per string scale. And that's kind of a mouthful. The Locrian is just the 7th mode of the scale, meaning if you're playing a C scale like this, you start one note below it. That's all Locrian scale is. Very close to the regular major scale. We're going to be playing it down here with just 2 notes per string, and it makes for a great exercise. Okay, that's the C major scale. Now doing the Locrian, so start at the 7th fret, like this, then, that's the whole thing, then back down. Okay, and you're covering a lot of territory here, you're sliding a lot. The challenge is keeping it as legato as you can, and breaking out of your usual patterns. And once you get comfortable with that, you can do hammer-ons and pull-offs. Like that. Like that. And it's tricky to remember because it's an unusual kind of scale. The cool thing about it, because it is so close to the major scale, it's nice to start a pattern even if you're major scale like this. So if you resolve it to that C, it just sounds like part of the major scale, which of course it is. I hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.